Good morning, student. Today I am sending you the question answer of first lesson of geography, resources and development. This is for class 8. First question, difference between biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources, resources that are obtained from living beings. Abiotic resources, resources that are obtained from non-living things. Renewable, resources that get renewed quickly, such as solar energy, are called renewable resources. Non-renewable resources, non-renewable resources have a limited stock. Once they are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed. Example, coal, petroleum. Potential resources. Potential resources are those which exist in a region but are not fully developed due to inaccessibility and inappropriate technology. Developed resources. Developed resources are those which are determined for utilization at present. Ubiquitous resources. Resources which are widespread all over the world are called ubiquitous, like water, air, land, etc. Localized resources. Resources which are confined to certain parts are called localized resources, like coal, petroleum. National resources. National resources are those which belongs to the people of a nation that live within the political boundary and territorial waters of a country, river, forest, etc. International resources. International resources are those which lie beyond the territorial water of a country and are regulated by international institutions. Example, fisheries, mineral resources. Next question answer. What is a resource? Anything that satisfies human needs is called a resource. What are human resources? Human resources refer to the human beings, both qualitative and quantitative, which possess skills and knowledge to make wise use of natural resources. Question number 3. What do you understand by conservation of resources? Conservation of resources refers to use of natural resources economically and without wastage by avoiding overuse, misuse, and ultimately use. Discuss the concept of sustainable development. Sustainable development refers to a process of development where the quality of environment is maintained. What is meant by recycling? Name a resources that can be recycled. Recycled refers to sustainable use of a non-renewable resource by using it in a cyclical way. Example, newspaper. What meaning of this lesson? रिसोर्स, संसाधन, एस्थेटिक, कलात्मक, बायोटिक, जैविक, एबायोटिक, अजैव, रिन्यूएबल, नवीकरणीय, नॉन रिन्यूएबल, अनवीकरणीय, लोकलाइज, स्थान निर्धारित करना, यूबिक्यूटस, सर्वव्यापी, पोटेंशियल, संभावना, क्वालिटेटिव, गुणवाचक, क्वांटिटेटिव, नापने योग्य, डिप्लेशन, कमी, inexhaustible, अनंत,